In this lesson, we're gonna talk about strings in JavaScript. What are strings in JavaScript? Imagine that you want to write something like, "Hello Dad, how are you?" If you have a look here, we have here a syntax error. This is a valid English language, but it's not a valid JavaScript code. So if you want to create text in JavaScript, you need to create strings. So you should put it inside those two quotation marks. Now that's a valid JavaScript code because we put it inside two quotation marks. So we don't have any compiler errors here. So to create strings, you can put your text inside one of those things. You can use double quotations or single quotations or two backticks, okay? What is the difference between those? So here we used double quotations. Let's create another one. Use single quotations. For example, let's make it "I am fine." What is the difference between double quotations and single quotations? In JavaScript, both double quotations and single quotations can be used to create strings, and there's generally no functional difference between them. You can use either based on your preference or code styling. But this backtick is a little bit different, and this backtick, it's used to creating template literal in JavaScript, and it's an amazing way to create strings in JavaScript, and we're gonna talk about it later. So let's save those two strings inside variables. Let's create var text1 equals to "Hello Dad, how are you?" And let's create a second variable called text2 equals to "I am fine." Let's try to console.log text1. Look, we got here in console text1. You have to know that in strings, you should put your text between those two quotation marks, okay? You put one at the first of the string and the second one at the end of a string. You cannot put it like this. Look, we have here a syntax error, okay? You put it at the start of a string and the end of string, okay? And you can't put another double quotation like this. That's invalid because here you don't know that's the start of string and that's the end. So the rest of this line is invalid code. So let's remove this. But what if I want to add sometimes to add single quotations or double quotations in our strings? Like here, I want to make it like this: "I am fine." Look, we got here an error because we add a single quotation and we ended the string here. So if you want to add a single quotation in a string, you have two options. You can convert it to double quotations like this. Now that's valid. Or you have another way. You can just add slash before it. So if you console.log text2, look, "I am fine." Just add this slash between the single quotation, okay? You can make this at the top too. For example, let's copy this text and make it text1. Let's log text1 and try to put this R word inside double quotations. Look, we have here an error. So to make it like this, just add slash here and slash here. Look, now it worked and the R word is between single quotations, okay? What if you want to create a new line? For example, I want to make it "Hello Dad," and in new line, write "How are you?" To make this, you can do it like this. Add slash n. Look, slash n allows you to create a new line. If you want to add another line, just add slash n. Look, now we have two lines. If you want to add more, just add slash n. So this is slash n to create lines, okay? If you want to create a space, a big space, you can add slash t. Look here, slash t allows you to add about 6 spaces, okay? Now, what I want to write a slash. For example, I want to delete this comma and add slash here. We don't have here a slash. To add a slash, you can type slash and another slash. Look, now here you can type a slash in JavaScript strings. Now let's remove all of this and create a new string. Let's name it "We are the Vikings." How to get the length of the number of characters of this string? It's very simple. You just type your string variable dot length. You just add dot length. Look, we have here 19. So this string contains 19 characters and spaces. So if we just delete all of this, look, we just have 2 characters. So we have here 2. If we just add some space, it became 3 because we have 2 characters and space. So to find the length of a string, use the built-in length property. I hope this lesson was easy to you. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. See you in next lesson, and thanks for watching.